Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you a beginner-friendly yoga sequence. We'll keep it simple, we'll take it slow. So get on your mat and come flow with me. Meet me on your mat in a child's pose. Take your knees wide, bring your big toes together, extend your arms up overhead. Let your upper body just release and relax. Take a deep breath in, drop your jaw, and let it all go. Breathe deeply through your nose. Open your mouth and sigh away. You can even make noise. One more deep breath in, and drop your jaw and let it all go. As you inhale, look up just enough to walk both palms over towards the right edge of your mat. You can even place the left palm on top of your right here. Notice the openness in the left side of your body and breathe into it. As you exhale, sink your left hip just a little bit closer to your left heel, even if you're just imagining it. Inhale your way back to center. Exhale, walk both palms over the left edge of your mat. Again, you can place the right palm over your left if you'd like. Exhale and sink the right hip just a little bit closer to your right heel. Truly feel the extension in the right side of your body here. Inhale, come back to center. Make your way into a tabletop. Knees underneath your hips, wrists, elbows, shoulders all in one line. You can tuck your toes under here just to find some balance. Engage your core here. Notice if your head is dropping slightly below your shoulders. Lift your neck and upper spine to be in line with the rest of your spine. As you inhale, extend the right leg back, touch your toes down, and then begin to shift forward and back, or maybe even side to side. Notice a stretch in the back of your right leg. Linger wherever you need to. Bring your right knee back to center. Extend your left leg back. Again, find some movement and linger in stillness wherever it feels good. Exhale your left knee back to center, coming back into a tabletop. Tuck your toes under. Exhale, shift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Take a moment here to pedal out your feet. Bend one knee and then the other. Come back to center. And know that you can always have a slight bend in your knees in your downward facing dog. Allow your spine to be nice and long. And as you gain flexibility in your hamstrings, you'll slowly begin to straighten out the legs. On an inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, step it in between your palms. Lower the left knee down. If you have your blocks, you can place them on either side of your foot to place your palms on. As you inhale, lift your heart. As you exhale, shift your hips back, straighten out the front leg. Inhale, bend the knee and shift forward once more. Exhale and shift back. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale and shift back. We'll pause here this time. You can bring your blocks back with you as we make our way into half splits. Breathe into this stretch in the back of your right leg. Flex your right toes towards your nose. With your next breath, point your toes and lower them towards the left corner of your mat. Notice the different sensation here. Breathe. Inhale your toes back up. Exhale, lower your toes down towards the top right corner of your mat. Again, notice the sensation and breathe into it. Inhale your way back to center. Exhale, fold just a little bit more. Again, use your props to help you here. As you inhale, shift forward, bend into the right knee. Make your way back into your low lunge. And keeping your left palm where it is, inhale your right arm up. Find a twist. Hug your belly button up and in to twist just a little bit more. Exhale, bring both palms back down. Frame the right foot. Step back into your downward facing dog. Take a breath here. Inhale, send the left leg up. Exhale, step it in between your palms. Lower the right knee down. Low lunge on the opposite side. Again, use your blocks if you'd like to. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, straighten out the front leg as you shift back. Inhale, bend into the front knee and shift forward. Exhale, make your way back. Inhale, bend into the front knee and shift forward. Moving at your own pace, following your own breath. Exhale, make your way back. Inhale and shift forward one more time. Exhale and shift back. We'll pause in half splits this time. You can always tuck your back toes under to find a little bit more stability and balance here. Again, point your toes towards your nose. Feel the intense stretch in the back of your left leg. Exhale, point your left toes towards the top right corner of your mat. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale your toes back up. Exhale, point your toes towards the left corner of your mat this time. Notice where you feel this the most. Inhale your way back to center. Exhale and fold just a little bit deeper. Coming right back to your breath, allowing this to release the tension you've been holding on to. Inhale, bend the front knee and shift forward, keeping the right palm where it is. Breathe in as you lift your left fingertips. Twist here. Exhale, both palms back down. Frame the left foot. Step back into your downward facing dog. Moving with intention, moving with your breath. Inhale as you shift forward, coming into your plank pose, lower onto the knees. Engage your core. Breathe here. Inhale, shift slightly forward. Exhale as you bend your elbows, grazing your ribs, lower down all the way to your mat. Keeping your palms underneath your shoulders, inhale, lift just your upper chest off the mat, baby cobra. And rather than craning your neck back, look just slightly ahead of the front edge of your mat. Exhale, lower down. Tuck your toes under, shift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Inhale, bend the knees and look forward. Exhale, step or walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Palms can come to shins or thighs. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, bend your knees and rise up one vertebrae at a time. Palms reach overhead. Exhale the palms to heart center. Inhale the palms up, exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms as you step back. Plank pose, knees lower down. Exhale, lower down all the way to your mat. Press into the tops of your feet behind you as you lift your upper chest. Inhale. Exhale and lower. Shift your hips up this time into your tabletop. As you inhale, lift your right arm up. Exhale, thread it underneath your left palm. You can keep the left palm underneath the left shoulder, extend it forward, or maybe even wrap it behind your back. Allowing your right shoulder and cheek to rest on your mat. And if you need a little bit of support, you can always place a block underneath. Tuck the back toes under to create a stable space to twist from here. Encouraging your hips to stay in line with each other. Exhale, press into the left palm underneath your left shoulder as you rise. Inhale, lift the right arm up. Exhale, place the right palm back down. Inhale the left arm up this time. As you exhale, thread it underneath your right armpit, extending the left fingertips towards the right edge of your mat. And again, the right palm can stay underneath your shoulder, extend forward, or wrap around behind your back. Breathe in and out. Exhale, press the right palm underneath your right shoulder. Inhale, lift the left arm up. Exhale back to your tabletop. Cross your ankles behind you as you roll into a seat, shifting yourself to the center of your mat. Keep your knees bent, feet flat on the mat. Exhale, lower down gently onto your back. Walk your heels as close to your glutes as you can. Place your palms by your sides. Roll your shoulders underneath you. Inhale, lift the hips up, bridge pose. Press into your heels, engage your core, engage your inner thighs, your outer thighs. Use your entire body for this posture. Exhale, lower down one vertebrae at a time. Breathe here. On your next exhale, hug your knees in towards your chest. Maybe roll side to side or forward and back, giving your spine a little massage. Grab onto your knees, roll your hips to one side and then the other. Coming back to center, we'll take Happy Baby next. Reach and grab onto your big toes, your outer feet, or your inner feet. And if you can't quite reach there, you can always grab onto the backs of your thighs, knees pointing towards your armpits. You can find stillness here in your Happy Baby, or you can rock side to side. Encourage your lower spine to be completely on the mat here. As you exhale, release your legs. Hug your knees into your chest once more. And then extend your legs out long, palms by your sides, opening up towards the sky. Take a deep breath in, drop your jaw and side away. As you melt into your mat for your final resting pose. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, maybe taking some wrist circles or ankle circles. And roll over onto one side. Breathe here. And when you're ready, press yourself up into a comfortable seat. Bring your palms to heart center, keeping your eyes closed. Finding gratitude for making the time to get on your mat today. The light in my heart honors and recognizes the light in yours. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed that flow. If you did, please be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos every single week. Be sure to share this video with those you care about or on social media so more people can find this video. If you do share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. As always, the clothing I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below if you're interested. If you want more beginner-friendly yoga videos, check out this playlist right here. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.